Good Sunday afternoon from the National Weather Service office in Grand Junction, Colorado. The following discusses the snow potential from the next winter storm system. On Sunday afternoon, our next winter storm system was over Central California. The storm system reaches southwest Colorado late tonight and is expected to expand northeast across the region on Monday. The storm is expected to continue through Tuesday and depart the region on Tuesday night. A winter storm watch has been issued for some of the mountain areas highlighted in the shade of blue. These mountains include the San Juan Mountains, the Grand Mesa, the Elk and West Elk Mountains, the Flat Top Mountains, the Uncompahgre Plateau above 7,500 feet, and the La Salle and Abajo Mountains of southeast Utah. Snow amounts are projected to range from 8 to 15 inches in these areas, with the highest amounts above 9,000 feet. Looking ahead towards Friday, computer models project a strengthening low-pressure system across the Colorado River Basin. This includes eastern Utah and western Colorado. This suggests that a significant winter storm is possible toward the end of this week. If traveling, stay updated on changing weather conditions at www.weather.gov/GJT. Here you will find up-to-date watches, warnings, and advisories. Before traveling, it is recommended to also check the latest road conditions from the Department of Transportation.